In this election, we have 7 aspirants are eligible for this election. On my list is number 1, Eghe Ogbemudia. Number 2, Osawe Franco. Number 3, Eghe Elvis. Number 4, OCC Best. Number 5, Obaze Stella. Number 6, Benjamin Yekoitin. Number 7, F. Stewart. I've learned that 5 out of these candidates have stepped down this morning. So I don't know the 6th one who's there that is running against Eghe Ogbemudia who's standing here. Is there that candidate here? No. It means she's standing alone as a consensus candidate. Yes. But we will not stop at consensus. We will not only affirm, we will stand up, we will vote. Yes. So you know what you will do for me? We are expecting 30 declared adult delegates. 30 adult delegates. That's what I have. I need paper. That's 3. Who's your candidate? That's 4. Who's your candidate? That's 5. Who's your candidate? That's 6. Eghe Ogbemudia? Yes, sir. That's 7. Eghe Ogbemudia? That's 8. 9. Louder, please. Eghe Ogbemudia. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20.
Eghe Ogbemudia.
21.
Eghe Ogbemudia.
22.
Eghe Ogbemudia.
24.
Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia.
25. Eghe Ogbemudia. 26. Eghe Ogbemudia. 27. Gentlemen, we have witnessed the successful election of Eghe Ogbemudia as a candidate duly elected to run as for the chairmanship of a local government on the platform of the PDP. She got a total number of 28 votes, 27 votes. She scored 27 votes out of the 30 votes eligible for this election.
Election don't come today when they come primary for PDP, and today now, so
24th of
May, Wednesday, and we don't see and say some person step down for you. How you work out about it? Because now the campaign since we don't expect say anybody would step down.
You know, say for Egor, all of us now one, and I know say they want the best for Egor, and they believe say with all of us work together, we go bring that dividends of democracy to the people of Egor. And they said because I don't go there before, I get the experience. And I made them say, okay, make I go finish the work when I start.
Now you don't be PDP candidate for Egor local government for the council election where they cost in the December 7th. What be your small plans? Just give checklist small plans where you get.
Plenty things the way we go do, but the most important thing we'll try to see how we'll tackle security. Now security be the main thing. Then after that, then we'll make sure say our people get that confidence in us again. You understand? Because this last election where it happened, we see as it happen. Now because they not get confidence for those two major political parties. But for this one where it happened, so now we will do our best to bring our people together to make sure say our people of Egor local government still get that confidence for PDP for Egor local government.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.